Hi, this is Joan of Art and welcome to Mount Sabrina. I'm up here at General Santos City and let's learn some Ilonggo words while we're here. So we were waiting for the bus because we ran out of buses. Right now we are waiting for our bus because instead of four buses, we only have two. And the two went down and we're here waiting for our bus and we have a lot of time. So waiting in Ilonggo is hulat. So if you say, I'm waiting for you, you say, naga hulat ako sa imo. You can also say, hulat lang, just wait. So it's a shorter way of saying wait. So sometimes if your companion or somebody with you is a bit impatient, you just say, wait, wait. Or in Ilonggo, hulat. Hulat means to wait. So you say that, hulat, when you want somebody to wait for you. Or if somebody is quite impatient to uh, get something from you or hear from you, you just say, hulat lang, meaning just wait, just you wait, be patient, meaning, um, palabaa, anay, ang imo, pasensya. Wow, that's quite a lot. Meaning just lengthen your patience or just you wait, hulat lang. If you yourself gets impatient at this impatient person, you probably would want to chide him. So you say, hulat, hulat ka na. And rather a bit annoyed already, you just say with your eyes, hulat, hulat, wait. If you're annoyed. But you can also say in a nice way, hulat lang, just wait. Or hulata ko, wait for me. What's the difference when you say hulat and hulata? Okay, that's interesting. Um, you say hulat when you meant just wait or wait, but if you want somebody to wait for you, that's hulata ko. Interesting, yeah. Hulata ko, wait for me. But wait is just hulat. Plain hulat is just wait. But hulata is to wait for something, someone, or that could be you, me, just hulata ko. Or somebody's running after you, so chasing after you, he or she would say, hulata ko, wait for me. So it's always a wait for me. There's something to wait for. Will you wait for me? Mahulat mo ko. So that's a future tense, mahulat mo ko. And present tense is ginahulat, waiting, or nagahulat. Oh, interestingly, gina and naga are one and the same thing. They're suffix that is the equivalent of the ing suffix or the forgot my English for that, but it's yeah, the ing. So ginahulat or nagahulat, that's waiting. So there's this car. I'm not waiting for a car, I'm waiting for a bus. Ang bus ang ginahulat ko, I'm waiting for a bus. Also remember the reduplication. We're fond of doubling words if we want to increase the tension of the verb a bit, like hulat hulat. Okay, wait a bit. So it's always a bit when you double a certain word. So hulat hulat, hulat hulat. Just wait a bit. Just a little more patience. Hulat hulat lang. Yeah. So I hope you learn a lot of things from just one word, hulat, wait, and I hope you have enough patience to learn this word, hulat lang, and soon you will be able to No, a lot of Ilonggo words. This is Joan of Arc here in General Santos City, Mount Sabrina. Thanks for watching and until our next video. Bye for now.